Hello again, welcome back. Now what I wanted to look at is unit 317, okay? All I want to do now is pan into that. Now again, you don't need me to do a lot of reading to you, because you're quite capable of reading this for yourselves. Okay? So here we have inspection and testing, commissioning and certifying electrotechnical systems. Okay? Now here's where you have now completed the job, and you now need to make sure that everything is correct and that the job has been done to the relevant specifications. Okay? And here we have outcome 1. Be able to confirm safety of the systems and equipment, etc. Now what I'm doing now is going to take you down, show you what I've put in place of here, okay? And again, assessment criteria. Now you've done a lot of this already, so I didn't feel that I needed to make any more comments for items 1.1, 1.2 or 1.3, as you can look these up for yourselves and look back at what you've done previously. Okay? Now again, let's look at 317 1.1, and all I've done here is safe isolation. Now you did a bit of work on this previously as well. Okay? The Electricity at Work Regulations 12, 13, 14 and 16 sets out the stipulations that should be met, etc. Now you've dealt with these regulations before in regards to EWR. Look back at what you did. Bring that into play. Make it your own. Tell me about it. Tell me where you applied it. What job you were on. What you did. Show me the photographs of it. Make it work for you. You've done it. Tell us about it. And again here, you can see that you'll need certain parts of here, your risk assessments, etc. Okay? Okay. Your safe system of work, you wrote this up before, bring it into play, let it work for you. Go back, look back at the job you did it on. Okay? If you have to write another one, then write another one. You have done many jobs over the 3-4 year period that you have been given to complete your work-based assignment in regards to your portfolio. Initial verifications, know what those are, make sure it appears in your system and part of your work. Okay? Excuse the blank page, okay, while I move down a bit. Okay? Outcome 2, be able to inspect electrotechnical systems and equipment. Okay? Now all of it said here is made a comment here, okay? And again, you did this before, so just look back at what you have done, okay? Outcome 3. And I made a comment here, okay? Simply to let you know what you need to do, and purely as a reminder what you should have already done. You have the range here. Okay, again, you would have done a lot of this work already. Bring it into play. Use your photographic evidence, your testimonies, your written statements, your reports. Bring those into play, your items list, etc., etc. Now here, in some situations, it may not be possible to remove equipment, etc. So again, here I'm going to leave this for you to read for yourselves. Okay, I'm going to just pan back a bit so you can get it all in. Okay. Okay. And here we have outcome 4. And again, I've made a note here of this. Okay, for you to have a look at for yourselves. Again, you can read this for your own selves, and you can apply this however you choose to. Okay. Now here's the declaration. This is where we sign off our work. And again, I've shown you this in a video previously, so please look back at that. Feel free. Again, candidate's name, the setter's name. Make sure your work is signed. And again, keep copies of your work. Keep it as a backup. Keep it on your home folder or on your computer if you wish to. But make sure you back up your work when you have produced it and it has been signed. If you cannot produce it when it's asked for, no one is going to assume that you have it. You will need to do it again, or they will not issue your qualifications. It is in your interest to make sure all your paperwork is in place. And I've shown you, given here some examples purely of proven kit. Okay. And you'll see clamp tester, well, clamp meter I should say. Okay. And again, installation tester. And here we have a voltage and continuity tester. Now, know why we do a continuity test and know why we need to check the voltages is at a given point. Okay. Be aware of the voltage drop over a given cable length. Be aware of that. Keep that in mind. Okay, and I think we can stop there now. Okay, and thank you for your time.